How to delete all chats on WhatsApp. What is up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to delete your entire chat history on WhatsApp. Without any further delay, let's just begin the video. First off, you need to go ahead and open up WhatsApp application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you have to access your settings. You can do that by going over to the top right corner on the three dots, and from the pop-up select settings. Once on the settings menu, you basically have to find your chat settings, tap on it, and right at the very bottom you have chat history. Tap there. Then you have option to export chat, archive all chats, and then clear all chats. There's also option to delete all chats. So if you tap on clear all chats, what it does is it's also going to delete media received in the chats from the device gallery and delete stored messages as well. And if you tap on delete all chats, it will delete everything. So each and every conversation you've ever had on WhatsApp, it will delete it. So if you're sure you want to do that, tap on delete chats and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.